I know you need a holiday. Let's go away for 6 months, twice in a year. Baby.
Hey loves, welcome to my channel. This video is pretty simple. I'm just showing you guys how I revived my dead weave. After killing it, I basically straightened it just one time, guys, one time, and the hair turned to a mess. It was super dry, and I'm just gonna be showing you guys how I revived the hair, so stay tuned to see how. Okay, so right now I'm just rubbing my hands through the hair actually, just so you guys can see how hard that is. So now I'm taking a silicone mix, and you're also going to need a hairbrush and some conditioner. I just used my Tresseme conditioner. Okay, so now I'm taking the silicone mix and I'm gonna start applying that to the hair. And basically, since the frontal is super dry, I made sure I really saturated the frontal with the silicone mix. I know it looks like I'm taking like a pinch out of it right now, but later on I started to really go in and take like huge chunks and apply that to the hair as well.
The special romance, she just got out. She feels the light. She stays on fire, and she feels the vibe. Girl, I'm online, always online. All in my heart is fire.
So after I was done saturating the hair, I used my hairbrush to brush the hair so the silicone mix would actually get into the hair cuticles, and also just to make the hair softer, smoother, no tangles or anything like that.
I know that she'd be alright, and if you're ready to vibe, can't leave your friends out behind. I bring my guns and we're right. Cause you know I let you hold you really tight when it shine bright under the light.
So when I was done with that, guys, I took a trash bag and just put it in to sit for about 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, I washed it out with water and I used some conditioner just to, you know, co-wash the hair. No need for shampoo at this point. After rinsing the hair out, I took my Cantu leave-in conditioner and I applied that to the hair just to condition the hair some more and also to get the curls popping. So when I was done, I let the hair air dry overnight and onto styling. So I'm taking the Garnier Sleek and Shine Serum and applying that to the hair. And guys, I'm smiling because my brother was in the room helping me film this. I already laid the side of the frontal off camera. I totally forgot to record that. I'm then taking a mousse by Pantene, basically any mousse can do, and I'm just applying that on the top of the hair just to make it lay flat. I like to tuck my hair behind my ear, so I just like it to be flat and not moving or lifting up and stuff.
She feels alright.
So that's basically it, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.
The special romance, she just got out. She
Diamond, Metro, Bo, Look,
Diamond, Metro, Bo.
I've been making moves, people clearly do not know. Cause I'm always trying to keep my business on the low. I can't wait to tell my mommy, mama, I don't blow. They be talking shit, but we ain't never getting broke. People they talk shit, all of the scammers they watch me. Like a cinema they watch